Good morning. Wishing you a very good health. Today, our next topic is report writing. Report writing is a very important topic because it comes of 10 marks in class 11th as well as in class 12th. Children, you have read so many reports, and actually, every day you read reports in newspapers and, of course, in your school magazines also. So, basically, a report is a description. A report is a description of an event that has already taken place. It is a factual account of some event or happening that may have occurred somewhere, but it is of interest to the general masses or to the common people. Basically, we have two types of reports, one that we write for newspaper and other that we write for school magazine. When we write for school magazine, then the reports comes of various types, like some kind of celebration, whether it is annual day or sports day. It could be investiture ceremony, Republic Day, or any other kind of celebration, or it could be for workshops or seminars that are being organized at school, and it could be some kind of events like poetry recitation competition or some other kind of competition. And when we write, the same kind of report can also be written for newspaper, but for newspaper, like the reports that you are reading every day, they are more factual reports, and it includes, like today the common topic is the reports are coming on the COVID, that is coronavirus outbreak. It could be about accidents, it could be about earthquakes and such kind of reports. There is a very slight difference between the format of the newspaper report and school magazine. For when we write for newspaper, we write date, first we write heading, after that we write date, place name, and here we write reporter's name. Because if you are writing report for newspaper, let us say if you are writing a report for Hindustan Times, place could be different. It could be the event that had taken place in Delhi, or it could be in Rajasthan or for Tamil Nadu. So that is why this name of the place is important to write. So these four things, it comes in format. Then there should be at least three paragraphs. It could be more than that. In first paragraph we mention what, when, where. Second paragraph, how, we write the whole process. Third paragraph includes a reaction of audience or eyewitness account. So that is included in the last paragraph. When we write report for school magazine, our format has only three components, that is heading, date, and reporter's name. We do not write, generally we do not write name of the place, because place is always the school. And here again we have three paragraphs, what, when, where, it comes in first paragraph. In second paragraph we write how, the whole process, and in third paragraph we write reaction of the audience who have attended that event. So there is a sample question I have written, and I will tell you how to write this report. It is about you are Amit or Amita, head boy or the head girl of ABC International School, Jaipur. Your school celebrated its annual day on 16 April 2020, and write a report on the for the same for school magazine. So we write annual day celebration, this is the heading. Then we have written date and name of the reporter, who is Amit or Amita. In first paragraph, see, I have only written what, when, where. ABC International School, Jaipur celebrated its annual day on 16 April at the school premises. In second paragraph, we would write the whole process, like the school was decorated, and the grand stage was being lit up with lights and decorated with flowers. Then the chief guest, we would write about the chief guest, how he inaugurated it, how he received the floral welcome. Then the kind of the program that was presented, naturally it is a cultural program presented by the talented student of the school, where you can write two or three names of the program. Then you will write that principal read the school report. It's a must element of school, of any kind of celebration of the school. Then he made the audience aware about the achievements, academic and co-curricular achievement of the school. Then the prizes were given. And then you will write that how the chief guest addresses the students, and he appreciated the efforts taken up by the staff and by the principal. And after that, it is always been ended by the vote of thanks. Vote of thanks either given by principal or by the manager or the chairman of the school. Then in the last paragraph, where we have to write down the reaction of the audience, like the audience appreciated the efforts taken by the staff as well as the students, and it ended on a happy note. So this is the report that we have written on annual day celebration. If the question comes that you have to write a report for Republic Day celebration, or you have to write a report for Independence Day celebration, or if it is investiture ceremony, if it is about a celebration that has taken place at school, then more or less the same contents would come in the report as I have mentioned in this report. So with the help of this report, you can write several other kinds of report of celebration. So here I am giving you the sample question. Recently a culture program was arranged by ABC Public School Delhi with the help of the local artist of the city for raising funds to help COVID-19 patients. Write a report in 100 to 150 words for publication in the school magazine. You are Sunil or Sunita, secretary of the social club of your school. So here you will write about that how did you raise funds. So naturally in first paragraph you will write about what, when, where, and in second paragraph you will write that who have been invited by you, maybe the people living in the nearby areas of the school and the parents of the children, they were invited. It could be a kind of an exhibition, or there could also be a cultural program. So again the same sample report would help you in writing the answer for this practice question. I hope you have understood everything whatever I have explained. Even if you have any kind of question that is arising in your mind, please feel free and ask your queries in the group itself. Thank you and have a nice day.